Hi, it's TT here for My Sacred Blood. Welcome and welcome back to the only channel on YouTube that focuses exclusively on truly holistic menstrual care. This month's meals for Menses all include avocado, which is not just one of my favorite foods, but also happens to be one of the most versatile. You can have it for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and everything in between. It's filling and it offers many benefits. Avocados are known to be high in dietary fiber, magnesium, and potassium. It helps to reduce headaches and menstrual cramps. It helps to reduce bloating and promotes weight loss. It is also high in monosaturated fats or good fats, which may help to reduce the risk of heart disease. In fact, one study out of Penn State University shows that one avocado per day is associated with lower levels of LDL particles or bad cholesterols that cause plaque buildup on the arteries. There are hundreds of ways to incorporate avocados into your nutrition plan. Guacamole and avocado spread on toast are two of my all-time favorites, but for this video, I'll be showing you 3 easy avocado recipes that you can add to your meal plan. The first 2 recipes also include 2 more very versatile veggie fruits, or my favorite nightshade, which is tomato, and my favorite gourd, the cucumber, both of which have so many benefits that they'll have to be featured in a whole other video. Our first simple recipe will be avocado cucumber bites. If you are able to tolerate some lactose, you can top these off with your favorite soft cheese. For a vegan alternative to this recipe, skip the tuna and mash some avocado into sort of a guac with a few drops of lemon juice, and then you can spread the guacamole on top of your cucumber and then top it off with the tomato. Next up is an avocado salad. For salad, of course, pretty much anything goes, so you don't have to add what I'm adding here. These are just some of my favorites, but feel free to use plain old corn or skip the corn and just add whatever you'd like. Mix it up. You just want to make avocados the star of the salad. And finally, we'll have these stuffed avocados. These avocados are not in the best of shape, but I'm not going to throw them out. Since I'm going to stuff them anyway, I'm not going to really see it. So we're just going to pretend like these are beautiful, juicy green avocados. You don't necessarily have to heat your stuffing. You can have this as a cold dish, but here I am going to heat my stuffing, including the carrots and the corn. And heating carrots is known to boost carotenoids or tetraterpenoids, which is known to decrease the risk of cancer. So I'm just going to give it some quick heat and a little bit of spice before I add it to my avocado shell. And that is it for this one. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, I'm here every moon day at noon, and that's Eastern time. Until the next one, take care of yourself.